Hey everyone, today we're solving a probability problem that involves without replacement logic. Let's break it down step by step. Read the question. Now, let's analyze the setup. Out of 14 batteries, 4 are defective. That means the remaining 10 are functional. We want to find the probability that both batteries selected are functional. This is a two-step event, and since the batteries are chosen without replacement, we'll multiply the probabilities for each step. For the first battery, the chance it's functional is 10 out of 14. Now, assuming we've picked one functional battery, there are 9 functional batteries left out of 13 total remaining. So we multiply the two probabilities. 10 14 times 9 13, that equals 90 over 182. And that's it. The probability that both batteries are functional is 45/91, which matches answer choice B. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more problem-solving strategies.